Hi, hello guys. So let's go. Let's build a UI in Python to create image features and scale it up to thousands of images. I will show you the demo first. Before that, the packages we are going to use are Python, base, statement and component, multiprocessing, neurova, base64, matplotlib, numpy, image toolkit. So the steps to follow is first step. As usual, we have to find an appropriate package and language to choose from. In this case, I am using Python language with base, maintain component, multiprocessing and image to get package. Okay, so I will show you the demo now, guys. We get ready. So first, it loads the main screen. Here are four different screens: simple image visualization, generate simple image features, multiple image visualization, generate multiple image features. So as you can see here, image path is there. When we can give any image path. So this is the first image. Let's see pink baby. I upload the image of pink baby. Copy its path. Then I enter the image path. Then I click to see grayscale image. You can see grayscale image. You can see HSB image. Use saturation value image. You can see RGB image. If you want to see the sketch, suppose I enter the blur value 21. You can see the beautiful sketch as well. Suppose I give 121 blur value. You can see different kind of sketch. If I enter the height, I can resize the image. So I will resize it to 100 cross 100. You see I have resized. If I enter the rotation angle, 270, you can see the image is rotated. If you click on flipped image, you can see horizontal flipped, vertical flipped mirror images. And after that, generate single image picture. You can generate the image pictures: mean, standard, median, mean, max, histogram pictures, gradient text pictures, gradient by picture. Similarly, we can scale it up from single image to multiple image using multiple image visualizations. So instead of giving the image, we can give the folder. We can click on show grayscale image. So when I uploaded a folder, it is processing through it, and you can see all the images are there. There are 9 images. Okay, then we can, instead of this, we can run the same buttons, show HSP images. So you can see HSP images is there. उसके बाद generate multiple pictures. You can extract the pictures as well. For all, you can see image name is there, folder path. Here the picture is there, like this. Okay, so this is it, guys, for the demo. Now back to the main screen. Step 2. First, we have to create a UI that supports multiple pages linked with main page. Then step 3, we have to convert route names according to the names of pages. As you can see, there are 4 screens: single image visualization, generate single image picture, multiple image visualization, generate multiple image picture. Step 4 is then clicking on different links presented the main page. We should route to different screen, but the screen should be cutting edge, neat and clean. It should feel like a material UI of the React. It should look like when it routes to different screen, it should look exactly like the main screen, no display should be noticed. Step 5. Using file path as input, then focus on showing various features of images like clipping, rotational, and traditional static features using neurova package. We have to convert the same idea using folder path instead of file path. Now optimize the folder path visualization using multiple processing. Here is the code base and here the attached reference links. Thank you guys. Hope you will be liking this video.